Hello, I warmly welcome all of you to this new series dedicated to the Microsoft Fabric platform. I will have the opportunity to share our experiences and point out the innovations in Microsoft Fabric that have, in effect, changed the very shape of how analytical topics are conducted in organizations. We will go through the platform innovations. We will talk about specific features, which are still in preview for some, but will soon be published within general availability. In the first episode, we will focus our attention on planning and budgeting within the Microsoft Fabric platform. This is a particularly attractive component for chief financial officers, for the controlling department, where we have a centralized place to conduct both the budgeting process, the preparation of new planning scenarios, and later the monitoring, execution, and budgeting within a single tool. On one hand, we have a planning component, and on the other hand, we get a platform for reporting and data visualization. Today, organizations in a planning context face a distributed budgeting process that involves many Excel files, which do not rely on a single source of truth. We have a manually driven process for merging data from the ERP system, the CRM, and extra Excel spreadsheets that support various departments. There is no record of who, what, or when the changes were fully implemented within the budget. We have no information why such a change occurred or whether anyone even committed to taking responsibility for delivering that portion of the overall budget. What's more, an exceedingly slow and rather tedious process of what-if analyses. We lack a component within Excel where we can efficiently experiment with different scenarios during board-level discussions at the top level. Therefore, at some point, Microsoft decides to enable the component, the strategic plan for the entire analytics platform, which, in broad terms, expands the platform's overall functional capabilities. Now we'll move on to a short demo, in which I will show how to set up such a solution, how to configure it, and I'll show such a key feature of the solution. Dear all, I am at this moment within the Microsoft Fabric platform. I am presently in a workspace where I will be creating a new element. The element is named Plan. We search for it among the available components as documented. Next, we connect the appropriate data source. In this case, it's a semantic model, the same one we use, for example, to support reporting and analysis. We then get a direct connection to the model and the P&L structure we work with in the organization, broken down by quarters. And we want to apply this quarterly division to carry out a budget simulation. Then we select only those columns that pertain to the planning scenario. And now we have the full, unrestricted capacity to alter how we adjust specific categories, for example by inserting a percentage by which they should change, or by tweaking this parameter by entering a precise numeric value that explicitly states how a given category will appear, or by specifying the exact amount by which that category should increase over time. So this refers not only to a percentage change, it also concerns providing straightforwardly a number, as in this case. We can also block specifically an area that must not change, even as we roll out plans across the entire organization as a whole. Then, similarly, amounts will be allocated to the remaining not yet blocked categories. We can also assign to such a unit a person who is responsible for the given cost center. Based on the scenario we've prepared here, we can create a dedicated planning scenario. This could be a positive scenario or a negative one, where we also have the option to manipulate these numbers by moving additional sliders. This is built-in functionality that we already have in the plan component. The whole layout could also be changed into a tree-like structure where we can clearly see which cost comes from which source, and at that level, adjust it. It's more visually appealing. However, functionally, it preserves what we showed just now in the table for clarity. What's also interesting is that within the component we can comment on and assign, as appropriate, the status and the people who are responsible for it, so that by the given deadline they would confirm and, for example, provide a binding commitment relating to the execution of the given cost center. Additionally, we have the ability to audit the solution so we can verify who changed what, when, and in which cost center. We can indeed write the whole thing back to the database, so that later a reporting scenario can be built on it. So this write-back functionality from the planning component level greatly facilitates the process of later reporting, such as a comparative one against the baseline versus the planning scenario. Dear friends, to sum up, today we walked through an interesting component called Microsoft Fabric Plan, where we carried out the process, budget analysis, and the preparation of a planning scenario in a positive light. We had the opportunity to glimpse how the change audit process within the model's framework looks. This will be a truly very good basis for moving on to the data science episode in Microsoft Fabric, since data science can in a very nice way prepare the input for the planning component, providing forecasts based on advanced machine learning models. I warmly invite you to the next episode.